the image of the point x1, y1 with respect to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 can be found out from the formula x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So if you want the foot of the perpendicular, you have minus of this. If you want the image, you have minus 2 times. That is, you need to go the double distance to get the image of the line. So this is the formula for finding the image of a point with respect to a given line. Now, let us see how to use this formula. Let us take the same example that we have taken for finding the foot of the perpendicular. So let this point be 3, 8. Let this line be x plus 3y is equal to 7. Now, this time the question is, what is the image of the point P with respect to this line? So x minus 3 by 1 is equal to y minus 8 by 3 is equal to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c. That is, you need to substitute this point on this line. So 3 plus 3 times 8 minus 7 by a square plus b square, that is 1 square plus 3 square. That is equal to minus 2 times 24 plus 7, 27 minus 7 is 20 by 10, which is equal to minus 4. So x minus 3 is equal to minus 4. This implies x is equal to minus 1. And y minus 8 by 3 is equal to minus 4. So y minus 8 is equal to minus 12. This implies y is equal to minus 4. It means this image is nothing but minus 1 comma minus 4. So you have 3, 8. The image is minus 1 minus 4. So let us try to see whether this is okay or not. We have already found this point as 1 comma 2 in the previous topic. Now let us see whether this answer is right or wrong. If this answer is right, that means the midpoint of PQ has to be equal to 1, 2. So try to find the midpoint of PQ. 3 minus 1 by 2, 1, right? 8 minus 4 by 2 is 2. So this is the image of this point about this line. With respect to the topic of images, there are some standard properties which you need to remember. So the image of the point x1, y1 about x-axis. So if you have a coordinate system, you have a point x1, y1. The image of this point about x-axis is nothing but x1 comma minus y1. And the image of this point about y-axis is minus x1 comma y1. These are very simple things to understand. This is x1 comma minus y1. This is minus x1 comma y1. And the image of this point about origin, that is the image about origin, is the point minus x1 minus y1. You need to change the sign of both x1 and y1. So these are three very standard reflections. Next, in many questions, you will be asked the reflection of a point about y is equal to x. You can as well derive the reflection using the formula that we know, that we have already discussed. But y is equal to x occurs very often, so it's better to remember the reflection. So the line y is equal to x, the reflection of the point x1, y1 about the line y is equal to x is nothing but y1 comma x1. That is, these two coordinates will just get interchanged. So about y is equal to x, the image of x1, y1 is y1, x1. You can as well derive this using our formula. I'll leave the derivation to you. And about the line y is equal to minus x, that is this line, the line which has a slope of minus 1 and passing through origin. About y is equal to minus x, the reflection is minus y1 comma minus x1. That is, the x coordinate and y coordinate get interchanged and you need to add an extra minus sign to both of them. About the line y is equal to x, direct interchange the x coordinate and y coordinate. About the line y is equal to minus x, you interchange the coordinates and also add an extra minus signs to both these coordinates. Thank you.